Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Regional Director jangka Ministry of Tourism Usankha Subra Dev Varman Kyntu yiki tour operator naga jela Meghalaya bakin wan cakami jangka Ministry naga benta ban Rejistar ban yo ya ka Certificate of Accreditation habakran ha kejelang ke belalong bat kinong penyai hotel ki tour operator bat ki travel agent Haka katsan trik mentau benajilio arjakat kendai hanong ba Shillong Usankha Subra Dev Varman ulayatho ba kani ke Certificate of Accreditation kadai ke berkongsan hadu kata-kata lada ki tour operators ki kwa ban penhe shusho ya keseng kadang jongki nalor kani ula ban rapru ba kajing pen pau perthai ya ke kerteng jong ka slam trikam kalong ka badan kam bat ya kani la ban le tangleng ba ka ministry Ulai tu ru baka ministry ka angnor hadu kata-kata ya ki kam chungo kai perthai ha ka jela Meghalaya namar baka ministry ka donru bon tili ki scheme bat ula Kyntu ya ki kenhon baper baken mi shakhman ban shem kabu ya ki ni ki scheme ke bon karhai na kani ka ministry Usankha Subra Dev Varman ulai tu ru ba menteri katna chungo kai perthai ka sarkar India on sawan yo kajat ha kani ka jela Meghalaya ha ka arpoi trek mentau benajilio Kabalong ro kasngi kabaya hap lang ba kajing rakhe ya ka yoga de.
It's hardening and disheartening for me, Regional Director. Not a single tour operators or travel agents are being accredited by the Ministry of Tourism. And I really don't understand what is the reason behind it. And I think that my colleague Katarika is also very keen and she might be having constantly interactions with all the tour operators, travel agents, and she has been pursuing a lot. But even though not a single tour operators or travel agents are showing any interest for the accreditations, this actually surprises me because once you get the accreditations or approval from the Ministry of Tourism, it will enhance in a multiple way for the business. First of all, the business right now we are doing many 10%. Once you get the approval or accreditations from the Ministry of Tourism, you get another 90%. That means 100% business you will be able to do. Another thing is that your name will be our Ministry of Tourism's global mailing list. We have our own websites. In the websites, your name will be there. Third thing is that you will have the credentials. I'm really not able to understand. So you people are doing the business. You need a credentials. For credentials, anything needs some kind of seal. So I'm doing the Apple phone. So Apple has its own brand. Apple has its own things. So likewise, some branding is needed. For branding, for credentials, you need like ISI, Government of India's seal. It enhances your business potentials, business possibilities, business opportunity. Fourth thing is that you will get opportunity to participate in our ITB Berlin, ITB London, and various international forum where institutions is participating. You will have the stall, and you can also get back the reimbursement. So there are so multiple way of actually exploring the business through Government of India. So today I am sitting with all of you, as I told you, because I am myself from this region, I am son of the soil. So I have a commitment. We are bureaucrats. Our tenure is not fixed like politicians. Today I am here, next day I might be to some other places. But as far as I am here, I just want to promote the place. I just want to promote the place. And what I'm saying not through my emotions. I'm telling through the understanding and the knowledge which we accumulated from the guidance. On the basis of it, I'm telling and requesting to all of you, please come forward and get the opportunity of the Government of India's various schemes and facilities.
We know very well that it is very important for us to get certifications, especially for the tour operators who have to go market the state to various markets across the globe. Very difficult. We know about the importance of market development assistance given by the Ministry of Tourism, of which none of the tour operators in our state have registered so far with the Ministry of Tourism. But earlier we have discussed with some tour operators among ourselves regarding the registration with the Ministry of Tourism. But what kept us off for so many years is that during those times there was doubt in our mind whether if we register with the Ministry of Tourism, the criteria for registration is too high, because we saw that it is all India, no? It's all Indian criteria.
That is the relaxation.
Then that time there was no relaxation. But fortunately for us Northeast Indian, for people from Northeast, there is a relaxation now, and I hope that with this relaxation we will be able to register ourselves with the Ministry of Tourism as far as the tour operators are concerned. And one thing more also, in the state of Meghalaya, we comparing to other states, especially Assam, we have very few tour operators operating here. The reasons are many, and firstly is that I think because we are not in the entry and exit point, it's not from in our state, and it's a little difficult for us also to function here. But despite of all these problems, now we have seen that some tour operators have come up, and we hope that we will have quite a few of us to be registered with the Ministry of Tourism.